Hi guys, we are here today at the Mcguire Park Splash in Portcharlotte, Florida. We are here to deliver some japchae noodles, Korean noodles to the order for a birthday party. And now I remember I went there one time here for a long time. When was that, Jolie? But anyway, we are here. I'm going to show you how the park looks like. This is great for birthday parties or some picnic or just hanging out with the kids. And to those who are from Port Charlotte, from Northport or Punta Gorda, and to come to try this park, this is fun. This is fun for kids, for family bonding, and for picnic. All right, let's go. I'll show you what it looks like. See you soon. There they are over there. Look at that. Look at that place there. Wow, and they have these amenities, facilities that you can use. Of course, there's so many kids in here. It's pandemic, but there's so many kids. I guess parents doesn't care.
Or maybe they're allowed to.
Are they allowed to? Yeah, we're allowed to. Look at that.
How about Isabella was here?
Oh. And there's one over here too. Look at those people out there. Alright guys, this is the Mcguire Park. There's a water slides and there's this kid playing. And this is a nice place for picnic and weekend fun activities. And you can cool down on the water splash right there, far away from them. And it's a very nice day. And here in this side is the canal. You have to watch out because there's an alligator here. There's an alligator. It's all the way down to, they call this river, Elkham River. You can hear the kids screaming and running and somebody over there fishing. If you live down here nearby Portcharlotte, Punta Gorda, Northport, this is where you can go for kids fun activities. Alright, they have a complete amenities and they have this nice bathroom, guys. say hi? Can you say hi? And there's also... Be careful, why are you doing that? That's the wrong way. Ooh, there's a basketball court in here. Not just for kids, we can do basketball. Here. Are you going to go swimming or splashing? Okay, go. Don't drag your... They're eating, honey.
No, they're not.
Can you say hi? Hi to my YouTube. Hi. Aloha, we are in Florida. Sunshine State. Yes, that's right. Dolan. Dolan. Good job, Julie.
I want to redo it and see if I could go to the place that I was and come back.
Okay.
Because I couldn't do that.
Okay. Alright, so this is the Mcguire Park where you can bring your kids, your children to have fun. And yeah, it's very nice. Weekend fun activities for kids. We have this splash, water splash. Alright guys, thank you for watching.